Montego Bay, photographer.com, the best in Jamaica. Hey guys, it's your girl Queen Brooklyn. I'm here with King Najee and his beautiful queen Keisha right here. It's their anniversary and we just had an amazing photo shoot. I just want to hear from you a little bit about how did you enjoy your shoot?
Yeah, we really had a great time. Kevin Wright from Jamstar Tours did a great job picking the location and setting us up on the beach. Very professional, very quick, awesome poses, awesome backdrops. He did a real good job. I definitely highly recommend him if you guys are looking for a photographer in the area. He does a great job. I like him, professional and quick, on time, and very easy to work with.
Would you use him again?
I definitely would. Next time we come to Jamaica, we definitely will call Kevin again.
On a scale from 0 to 100, which one?
I'm gonna give him 101.
Ah, you did it. All right. Hey, check out Jamstar Tours and MontegoBayPhotographer.com. See you soon.